Ace of Crafters mga kausap, sa Pitmasters Club PH members and official members. So if you haven't opened your socials yet, we just posted an event, no, our Pitmasters Club PH Meetup 2025. So that's going to be on March 30. It will be held in the Upper Deck Technopoint or Upper Deck Elevated Parking Roof Deck, rooftop in Technopoint Pasig City. So we will be joined with other clubs and groups such as Philippine Hot Sauce Club. They will do their Lapagan session and Table of Fire on the event, and they might have some spicy challenges for you guys. And of course, we will fire up the grill and smoker on site. Meron tayong smoker, grillers, and ovens, asador style ng mga LiveFire cooking natin. And so it will be on March 30. It has a minimal registration fee of 1,500. That includes 3 meals, AM, PM snack, and lunch. And of course, mga free taste or free demos and taste doon sa ating event. No, we will have a smoked ribs class, no, or demo, so from trimming to serving, and we will also have trimming of brisket and start of smoking brisket, and we will also have deboning of salmon and smoked salmon on site. And then of course yung other meats natin will be served, also steaks and picanha, probably lamb, chicken, whole pig in a Argentine cross or roaster. Yan. So those are the not to mention yung mga ating mga side dishes like yung mga hang vegetables. Yeah, so maghahang tayo ng mga vegetables for us to enjoy, and of course mga smoked sausages natin and grilled sausages natin asador style, no? So yeah, so if you're up to that kind of day, just to stop for a while and just enjoy the company of fellow crafters and of course enjoy the food, please join us. No, we will also have some raffle prizes for those who are attending. So with just 1,500 for official members of the Pitmasters Club PH and 1,950 for the non-members yet, you can join the fun. And ano ba naman yung 1,500 and 1,950, almost 2,000 na registration fee, wherein you can learn a lot from sausage making, smoke ribs competition, and mga demos natin during the day, and plus covered ng registration fee yung ating mga pagkain, no? And also we will have merch on site. Yan, so bring extra around 300 pesos to get the official PCP meetup t-shirt or other merch that we will sell on site, para naman meron kayong memorabilia, meron kayong remembrance coming to the event. Alright, so we are looking forward in meeting you all. That's the Pitmasters Club PH Meetup 2025 in the Upper Deck Technopoint Pasig City. Yan, so all the details will be posted here down below, and also the link where you can sign up and pay, ilalagay po natin. And yun, I'm very excited to meet you all. Alam ko busy sa workshop, busy sa trabaho nyo probably, pero let's just set one day and fire up the grill. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and smoke on!